Gears. Bicycles have gears to allow us to climb hills more easily and also to go faster on level roads. But how do they do this? Well, here we've got a simple diagram showing the main points. The pedals here are attached to a cog. At the moment the chain is going around the cog of 50 teeth, and this is the back wheel, and the chain is going around the smaller cog of 10 teeth. So if the pedals give one turn, that is 50 teeth that have gone round, that will turn the back wheel round 5 times, because each 10 teeth that go past of the chain, 10 gaps of the chain, will turn the back wheel once. So 50 gaps in the chain will turn the back wheel 5 times. If the wheel has a circumference of 2 meters, that means the bicycle will travel 10 meters for each one turn of the pedal. That is the high gear. If we now look at this arrangement, the chain is now going round the smaller cog of 30 teeth at the front and the larger cog of 30 teeth at the back. So now one turn of the pedals will turn the wheel just the once, and again if the wheel has a circumference of 2 meters, the bicycle will travel now just 2 meters for each pedal turn. This is a low gear. Let's look at this on a real bike.
Okay, at the front here where the pedals are attached, we have a large cog here. That's got 50 teeth. Inside there you can see a smaller cog. That's got 34 teeth. The chain goes around this. It also goes around the back. And at the back I've got a large cog. That's got 34 teeth. We've got lots of other cogs, but then the smallest one there has only got 11 teeth. At the moment the bike's in its lowest gear, which we'd use for going up a hill. I've highlighted the valve there with a piece of red tape, and if I turn my pedal around slowly once, at the moment the pedal's in the upper position, so I'm going to turn the pedal around once slowly, and it will make the wheel turn round once. So the red will start coming back soon. The red of the valve is there, so when that gets to that piece of frame, the pedal is now vertical. I've turned the pedals once, the wheel has turned once. That travels a distance of 2.13 meters, which I've indicated here with a tape measure. That's one wheel turn would take me that distance. If I now change to a highest gear, I have the chain on the big cog at the front, 50 teeth, and the small cog at the back, 11 teeth. Again, I've got my pedal in the vertical position, my valve is showing there, and I'm just going to turn the pedal slowly once, and the wheel has gone round once. There you go, the valve going past. Twice, 3 times, 4 times, and it's about down there somewhere. You can just see it down there. Around about 4.5 turns of the wheel. That means when I'm in my highest gear, turn the pedals once, I travel about 8.5 meters, 4 times that distance with the tape measure.
We could liken this to going up steps. If you wanted to go up the steps really quickly, you could maybe leap up 5 steps at a time. Who can jump up 5 steps at a time? It would be really hard work, but you get up the steps incredibly quickly. What most people would do is go up the steps 1 step at a time, like this. It will take you longer, but it's possible. So on a bike, if we want to go up a hill, we could go in a low gear, and we have to pedal lots and lots of times, make the pedals go around lots of times, and slowly plod up the hill. But it's possible. What we couldn't do is be in a high gear and whiz up the hill really quickly. It would just be too much force needed to be able to turn the pedals.